Fierce fans, this is your main event. This fight is sponsored by Global. This fight is a professional middleweight bout scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds. And when the fight begins, the referee in charge will be Tyler Tomlinson. Now one more time, I need everybody tuning into the pay-per-view and everybody here inside the Masonic Temple in Salt Lake City, Utah. From the upper seats to the lower seats to the VIP seats, all the way down the cage side. Put your hands together and make some noise! Introducing the first fighter fighting out of the blue corner. Holding a professional record of 11 wins and 7 losses. He stands 6 feet tall and weighing at 185 pounds. Fighting out of Extreme Couture and Zangief Jiu-Jitsu. Hailing from Las Vegas, Nevada. Fierce fans, make some noise for John Pumpy. And introducing his opponent fighting out of the red corner, holding a professional record of 6 wins and 3 losses. He stands 6 feet tall and weighing in at 183.5 pounds. Fighting out of Akima Jiu-Jitsu and MMA and Gladiator Fight Academy. Hailing from Heber City, Utah. Fierce fans, make some noise for the Viking! Paul Schaefer!
Let's go.